Woke up feeling stiff or tired? You're just 10 minutes away from a full body reset that melts tension, boosts energy, and leaves you feeling light and strong. No equipment needed, just your mat and your breath. Before we start, hit subscribe and turn on the bell to get your daily dose of mindful movement. Sit comfortably on your mat, legs crossed, hands resting gently on your knees. Close your eyes if it feels good. Inhale deeply, feeling your spine grow tall, and exhale slowly, letting your shoulders melt away from your ears. Take a few deep, mindful breaths, tuning in to how your body feels this morning. With each inhale, invite fresh energy in. With each exhale, let go of any tension or heaviness. Gently drop your right ear toward your right shoulder. Feel the sweet stretch along the left side of your neck. Hold here for a deep breath, then roll your chin across your chest, bringing your left ear toward your left shoulder. Move slowly and mindfully for a few cycles, melting away stiffness. Add gentle shoulder rolls, lifting and lowering them as you breathe. Ambasini, set releasing built-up tension. Inhale and sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, bring your right hand to the mat and reach your left arm up and over, creating a beautiful arc. Feel your side body open as you breathe deeply. Inhale back to center and switch sides. Repeat this flow a few times, moving with intention. With each stretch, imagine more space and lightness filling your body. Come onto all fours, stacking wrists under shoulders and knees under hips. Inhale, arch your back, lift your tailbone, and gaze up, cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tucking your chin and pelvis, cat pose. Flow gently between these two poses, syncing your breath with your movement. Feel your spine wake up, each vertebra moving freely as you prepare your body for the day. Sit tall with legs extended. Cross your right leg over your left. Place your right hand behind you for support and your left elbow outside your right knee. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale to twist gently. Feel the release along your spine. Hold for a few breaths, then switch sides. This twist refreshes your body and mind, wringing out any sluggishness. Loving this flow? Tap like to let us know and share this video with a friend who needs a fresh start today. Extend your legs forward. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, fold gently over your legs. Relax your neck and shoulders. With each breath, melt deeper into the stretch, feeling your hamstrings and lower back release. Sit tall. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Straighten your arms if comfortable, and gently lift your hands away from your back. Open your chest and breathe into the stretch. Feel your shoulders soften and your posture reset. Return to a comfortable seated position. Rest your hands on your knees, palms up. Close your eyes. Take slow, deep breaths. Feel the calm energy flowing through your body. Repeat silently. I am strong. I am calm. I am ready for today. Stay here for a few cycles of breath, anchoring your mind and body. Amazing work. You just gave your body and mind the perfect start to the day. Repeat this flow daily to feel lighter, more energized, and centered. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily Pilates flows. Your journey to strength and calm starts here.